Welcome po. And simulan na po natin ang home tour! Ayan guys, welcome po sa aming tahanan. Magsimula na po tayo. So pagpasok niyo po dito sa entrance, katapat po niyan ng entrance is, this is laundry room and then maid's room. So, ginawa po namin siyang office. Toys po ni Lucas, and then we have our little bookshelf here where I edit my videos. Here is our laundry room. Madami pa akong labahin. Yung office clothes ni Espen. And then yung white clothes, hinihiwalay ko po yung color, light colors and dark colors. And this is a storage room. Pakita ko na guys. And so dito ko nilalagay yung mga hangers. Dito tayo sa hallway. May nilagay akong pictures dito sa hallway. So, kids-friendly home. Alright, so may makikita po kayo dito sa bandang left side ko is storage room. Pinakamalaking storage room dito sa bahay. Of course, guys, papakita ko yun. Papakita ko kung gaano kami ka-messy dito. Ayan, yung mga boxes, mga laruan ni Lucas, yung mga extra shoes namin, yung mga suitcase, pang yoga, lahat na yung mga hindi namin ginagamit. Yan, may LBC pa ako. Ayan na, dito tayo sa kusina! So, dapat may tubig talaga dito. So, this is our kusina. Mapapansin nyo, it's clean, but it's not like this everyday, guys. So, nilinis ko lang siya. Bago ako nag-video, naglinis muna ako. Nag-makeup, tapos nag-ayos. Yes, toilet. I really love this mirror. Parang ring light na rin. Ugaliin maghugas ng kamay during pandemic. Magpunas. And welcome to our living room and dining room. We really like the layout of our kitchen because there is an island and it's an L shape and it has a lot of cabinets and we can fit a 2-door fridge. I really love this painting. So these are the photos from our vacation. This is from 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒 and Karun viewpoint at Phuket, Thailand. And dinidisplay ko na po yung mga paintings ko. Babagay siya. This is my sunset painting. It's Burj Khalifa. Lake Arno at Florence. Ito sa Singapore ay dito yung sunrise sa apartment namin sa Princess Tower. So these are my long exposure photos, my favorite ones. Of course, we're plantita here. I got this from my 35th birthday, a good friend of our family. Ito, winasak na ni Lucas yung isang ibon na binili ko. It's very empty kasi nga ginagalaw niya lahat. May ano si Lucas, may play area. So, ito yung diaper bag niya. Pag binibihisan ko siya, andito na yung mga diaper niya, yung lahat ng mga gamit niya. Hindi ko na kailangan umakyat sa taas. Lucas picture when he was 2 months old. Ayan, ABC. Nilagyan namin ng ABC. Bakit may doll dito? Kasi nga gusto niya ng doll. Gusto niya ng baby doll. May malunggay ako dito, guys. And we're done here sa first floor or sa ground floor. Ground floor. Yes, may second floor pa po kami, guys. Kaya, puntahan na natin! Baby-proof pa rin yung hagdanan namin para hindi umakyat mag-isa sa taas si Lucas. Well, marunong naman siyang umakyat. But then, delikado pa rin. Baka mahulog. So, doon naka-display ang aking mga paintings sa itaas. Here, this is my creative room where I do my makeup videos. I made my creative room tour, so go ahead, check it. And this area is Lucas' room. We didn't really do that much of his room. We just put like clouds and then letters. In the future, we'll do something about his room. We have another storage room here. And this is where Lucas sleeps. Daming unan. This is his crib, but he's not sleeping there anymore. He doesn't like to sleep in his crib. This was his changing table. It matches his crib. Slash creative room where I do my makeup videos, painting, and I had already a video tour of this one. I call it creative studio tour. The outside of our house, and that's it for the upstairs. Lumipat kami dito 2019. For sure, we're gonna miss this house. We will gonna miss Dubai. Lilipat na kami ng Denmark. 1920. And then, this is our second year, 2021. So, by the time na in-upload ko na tong video, guys, is nakalipat na kami ng Denmark. I really like to share with you guys our home and also for us to have a memory that we live in this house. And this is our entrance. Our garage. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys, our home tour. I'm so happy doing this. And I'm so happy to show you guys our home for 2.5 years. And we really enjoyed living in this house. It's where we grow as a parents, as a family. This townhouse is 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, and then feels like home compared to living in an apartment. And it's time for me to pick up Lucas. Nasa daycare siya or nursery. Of course, nakapaayong tayo. Mainit na. Malunggay kayo dyan. So, it's 38 degrees today. Mainit na. It's summer. Nag-aaral si Lucas sa nursery, Jebel Ali Nursery. Lucas! Hi! Mommy! We're going home! Hi! Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Lucas? We're going home! Bye-bye! This is the update of the packing. Empty. So they started at 9 and they're still not done yet, and they are now upstairs. Look at, they're packing everything. We don't know yet how much it would cost us. We know initially, but I don't know if we are still in the size of the container that we supposed to book. I am so stressed. Wala po akong tulog last night. Sobrang stress. I need a spa, a massage. It's been 2 months since I started the packing, sorting, and selling, and giving away, and 2 weeks of not really sleeping. Kulang ako sa tulog, and I'm the only one sorting it, but it's better this way kasi alam ko kung ano yung saan gagawin. You know, Esben is busy as well, so I have to take charge of it, and I'm happy of the outcome. And see, balikbayan boxes. Hindi pa ako tapos. So for, I think 8 weeks, I'm not sure the time frame that our boxes, they will arrive in Denmark. So hopefully they will arrive there, all of them. Fingers crossed. Let's give you an update, guys. A lot of stuff. I thought we're only moving few items, but it's not few items. It's a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh. Those are basic items. Basic items. It's okay. It's okay. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye! Ayan! Nakakainom ko ng tubig.